Okay, so now we have this question on the board. We have 5 to the power of x plus 2 is equal to 45. So how do we solve this? So we can have 5 to the power of x multiplied by 5 to the power of 2 is equal to 45. Using this law of indices, when you have a raised to power m plus n, same thing as a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n. So this can also be seen. We now have 5 raised to power s, right? So we use this law to get this. So we want to eliminate this to make sure that we are having 5 raised to power s. We are looking for the value of s. So we have 5 raised to power 2 is equal to what? 25. So we have 45. So we can divide both sides by 25 to eliminate this. So I'm going to divide this by 25. I'm going to divide this by 25. So 25 cancel 5. So we have 5 raised to power x is equal to 5 here what? 9. 5 here 5. So we have 9 raised to power 9 over 5. So here we can take the logarithm of both sides. So I'm going to take the logarithm of this side, which has we have log 5 raised to power x is equal to log 9 over 5, right? Okay, so from the law of indices, this power can come behind using the power law. So we have x log 5, right, is equal to log. Let me just write it so that you see it. So like I was saying, when you take the logarithm of both sides, you have this. So this power becomes behind in it. So we have x log 5 is equal to log 9 over 5, right? So we can divide both sides by log 5 to get to have s here. So I'm going to divide it by log 5, divide this by also log 5. So this log 5 cancel log 5. So we have x is equal to what? Log 9 over 5 over log 5. Remember that in indices, when you have log a over b, the same thing as log a minus log b. So we are going to use this law, we are going to apply it here. So we have s is equal to log 9 minus log 5 over log 5. So we are going to break it further. We have x equal to log 9 over log 5 minus log 5 over log 5. So we can also write this as x is equal to log 3 raised to power 2 is the same thing as 9 over log 5 minus log 5 over log 5. You look at this. Sorry, I'm supposed to cancel this log 5. This cancel this. Do we understand? So we have 1 here. We have 1 here. So let me write it. Okay, guys. So we cancel log 5 divided by log 5. So it gives us 1. So we're having this. So we are still going to apply this power log a. We say that when you have log a raised to power b, it's going to be b multiplied by log a. So we are applying this log. We are applying this log a. So we have x is equal to what? 2 log 3 over log 5 minus 1. Is that clear? Okay, so now there is a law that says that when you have log a over log b, it's going to be what? It's going to be what? Log a base b. So we are going to apply this law. We are going to apply it here. So we have x is equal to 2 log 3 base 5 minus 1. So this become our s. So this is the value of our s. So guys, if you are watching to this list and you are here to subscribe to my channel, so guys, what are you doing? Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like this video and give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you on your notification bell so that anytime we release video you'll be notified. So now we want to prove that this x is actually, our answer is actually correct. So we want to prove it that this value of x satisfies the equation. So how do we do that? Let's go. Okay, so let's prove it. So we have, recall that our question, we have 5 raised to the power of x plus 2 is equal to 45. So then we are going to substitute for the value of x into the what? Into the equation. So we have 5 raised to the power of x, which is our s. This is our s. We have 2 log 3 base 5 minus 1, right? This is our s, then plus these 2 is equal to 45. So here we have 5 raised to power 2 log 3 base 5 minus 2 plus 1 is what? It's going to give us minus 1, right? I'm sorry, minus 2 plus 1 is going to give us plus 1, right? It's equal to 45. All right, so we are going to apply. Now, there's a law that says that when you have a, let me just, so we are going to apply the law of indices here. So we have, when you have a raised to power m plus n, it can also be written as a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n. So we are going to apply this using it here. So we have a, which is our 5 raised to power m, which is 2 log 3 base 5, multiplied by 5 multiplied by 1 is equal to 45. So we have 5 raised to power 2 log 3 base 5. 5 raised to power 1 is same thing as 5. Then we have 45 here. So what is the next thing we are going to do? We are going to apply the power log here. So these two can come up here. So we have, remember the power log law. So when you have 5 log 5 raised to power log of this is going to be 3 raised to power 2 base 5 minus multiplied by what? 5 is equal to 45. So we have 5 to the power of what? Log 3 raised to power 2 is equal to what? 9 base 5 multiplied by what? 5 is equal to 45. So there's a law in indices that says that when you have a raised to the power of log b base a is equal to b. That is, when you have the same base as this, it's going to be what? B. So this and this is the same thing. So it's going to be equal to what? 9. So we have 9. I hope you are seeing it. Okay, let me just clean it. From this law that we apply here, we have, what do we have? So we have 9 here. This base and this base are the same using this law. So it's equal to what? 9 multiplied by what? 5 is equal to 45. So we can say that 9 multiplied by 5 will give us what? 45 is equal to 45. So this proves that the value of our heads satisfy this equation. You can say that 45 is equal to the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So this is our final answer. So the value of our s is actually correct. So guys, if you are here to subscribe to my channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel and make sure you turn on your notification bell so that anytime we release video tutorial, you'll be notified. Bye.